Hey, folks and teachers, getting ready to go back to school. I've created a little counting game. Might be fun to use with your students. It's pretty simple little game built out of a spreadsheet here, but it basically just does this. As you click the button, it automatically changes animals and how many, and we're using this to count to five. So we have five ladybugs, four pandas, eight chipmunks, two turkeys, nine ducks, and so forth. Using this in a classroom with students, you could choose to hide the text so the students could have to figure out what do we have here? Three snails. Ooh, how many? One, two, three, four, five, six hippopotamus, one raccoon, and so forth. And we could always turn the text on. There's our nine frogs, our one lobster, our five crabs, our seven ladybugs. So, um, just a little game I made for fun. How does it work? Well, let's take a look. I have a hidden sheet, my helper sheet, and what I've done here is pretty simple, really. I've created a list 1 through 40 of my different animals. I brought up and on a Mac, I did a Command Control space bar, and I brought up the uh, emoji character viewer, and I did animals, and then I just simply put my cursor in the cell B and changed my animal. And you see on a Mac, you have this list of characters. I'm not sure exactly how you bring this up on a PC, but you have these different characters. And then I went ahead and named them all. So I basically typed in this set of stuff. And then this is a formula. I'm doing a VLOOKUP of G1. And in G1, I have a in G1, I have a rand between 1 and 40. So it's going to randomly choose a number between 1 and 40. Then I'm bringing up this VLOOKUP. And in this VLOOKUP, I'm saying look up G1, it's 4. Look from A1 to C40. So let's look in this range right here. If we pull up our VLOOKUP formula viewer, so this is my search key. I'm looking in G4. I'm looking in this range. I'm looking in column 2, and it's not sorted. So that's that formula. It pulls up Ladybug because Ladybug is 4. Doing the same thing here. VLOOKUP again, look up G1, find the range, the same range, look up and bring me back the value from column 3, and it's not sorted. Okay, so that brings back Ladybug, and then here I'm doing a repeat of D1. So D1 is my Ladybug. This is the repeat function, text to repeat, number of repetitions. So I want to do D1, and then here I'm doing a rand between 1 and 10. So I'm telling it, choose a number between 1 and 10 and repeat Ladybug that many times. So this helper column then, just with these little few rows we have, is what lets me turn on and turn off. And every time I click the checkbox, that's a change to the spreadsheet, and any change to the spreadsheet recalculates the rand. So that's how it works, and it could be fun for students to learn a little bit about counting, and of course, look at the cute little animals and so forth. That's how I've done it. And then I put this feature in, show and hide text, and that's just a conditional format. Let me show you this conditional format real quick. Conditional formatting, basically just saying if custom formula equals B2 equals true, we turn that blue. B2 equals false, we turn it red. So as we turn that on and off, it causes that button to change colors. And then over on this text box here, we are telling this text, actually it's I believe it's this text and this text. There's our formula that the checkbox, the hide and show text, is working. So we got to come over here again. It's G through that. It's those two So G is showing me the length of B5 divided by 2, and H is showing me if G2 is 1, this is how I'm getting S's if we have 1, so that the animals are pluralized properly, except for ones like deer and sheep. Didn't take the time to put in all the if statements for them. And then this go ahead and cancel. So this formula basically says if O1 is true, then I'm basically just hiding the text. It's got the white text color. And if it's false, in this case, then the text color is normal. So that's how this whole thing works. Click the button, change your animals, and let your students count, or let them count manually and try to figure it out. Hope this might be fun for you to use. It might have some fun formulas in for you to explore. These ran betweens, these repeats, and these VLOOKUPs.